Hi everybody, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to do a quick little bloom on an 8x8. This is a level 2 canvas. I'm going to be doing it on my spinner, of course. One of the girls at work really likes pink, and she's new to my area, which is the accounting department. So I'm going to do a little bit of pinks, add a little bit of purple just because I need a little bit of a contrasting color. And I'm just going to paint her up a little painting that can dry in the next couple days, and I'll take it into work and she can hang it at her desk. So Fab, if you're watching, this one's for you. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that come back and always support me, comment, thumbs up. Love it so much, you guys. Thank you. It means the world, and I read all the comments. I try and get back to everybody. If I missed you, I apologize, and I will eventually get to you. All right, Greg's going to put some music on. I'm going to put my house paint down the center. I started pouring and then remembered, oh yeah, I don't usually do that right away. So it's just house paint right out of the can, ready to go. That's going to be my pillow. And the little piggy colors is Constellation, which is the purple. I got a couple of shimmers, which is they call them interference colors, Sequins and Glisten, and a little bit of Amsterdam's acrylic. This one is the Quinacridone Rose Light. I'll throw a little bit of that in, and I have a lavender color, which I didn't label the little tub I have it in, so I apologize, I don't remember what it is, but it's more than likely going to be Amsterdam or Arteza, because those are the two main things I use. And I'm going to use two bloom colors as well, the Pearlescent Watermelon and the Lily Pilly Pink. So there we go. We got a quick rundown of my colors. Okay, hit the music, hon. Let's have some fun. Thanks, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We're interrupting the video for the draw for the Cares Away kit. It comes with the Swipe Your Cares Away Swiper, which is a really cool, soft, flexible plastic. A Pour Your Cares Away 4-compartment split cup, and the really cool leaky hex cup that works awesome. Now I'll spin this and get Sandra to draw a name.
Ooh, this is exciting.
There wasn't a lot of people commented, so you have a good chance of winning if you did comment.
Here we go. Who's the lucky winner gonna be?
I can't wait.
Okay, you'll have to close it up and it'll spill everywhere. There we go. Okay. The winner is Carol Perez. I hope I said your name right. Carol Perez. Now Greg's going to post right below the email. You can contact us with your mailing address and we will ship this little kit out to you. Again, 4-chamber split cup. Pour Your Cares Away, it says right on it. Beautiful cup. Swipe Your Cares Away swipe sheet, and the hexagon leaky cup.
And we should mention there's no shipping charges or anything. We cover the shipping to get it to you.
Yes, it's 100% free gift. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you, everyone. All your subscribing, it all means the world to me. Okay, let's get back to the video. Thanks again.
Bye.
I've been walking through the valley of the shadows. I let them tell me who I was. I've been talking myself up onto the gallows. Every time I tried to walk away, I couldn't make it through another day. Everything seems being up in uphill battle. I was trying to make it on my own, my way. You were knocking on the door that I've been looking for. It was right in front of me. I was lost, but now I'm free. And I was blind, but now I see that your love is better than life. Your love is better than life. But I ain't turning back now. It's never so amazed how your love is better than Forever starts today and won't stop now. Your face shining on me, walking in the truth that set me free. It's all I need. If it ever only for me, then who could stand again?
Just a kid growing up in a small town. All I ever really needed was my crew around. In sweatpants, no fear on the t-shirt. Basic kids, but we always had a chauffeur. I found my ride or die for life, but it wasn't in a woman. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends until the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. Yeah, I got you, baby. At 19 with a dream and a paycheck, a white V-ripped knee chain around my neck. And honestly, that's when I noticed things were changing. Lost myself in approval on the stages. I needed something that was real, and I found it in a woman. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends until the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. Said I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got you, baby. Sometimes I wonder if I had chose the other, would I feel this way? Would I be chasing fame? I could never go back, 'cause I feel like I found my weight in gold. Love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends until the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on. And love might get lost, but then it's found again. And friends might be friends until the very end. But I've seen them come and I've seen them go a million times before. That's why I'm holding on, 'cause I've got you, baby. I said I've got you, baby. Yeah, I've got